In another method to download the application from our website, we have to search our website from Google or another browser. The website link is provided under the video description below. Now I will type and search for our website, lightmandalas.com. When we enter to the application, we have to click on three option button in the right hand side. Then click on download. Then we have to tap the download and drawing application for Mandala Star application. Then it will start download the application. Now we can start to install the application. The application is installed. Now we can open the application. We can select the language for our application.